For a minute in the quiet, it feels like it was before. I get lost just for a moment, thinking I'm not where I am. And I didn't want to feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace. I know I can't be happy, it's not in my head. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line, thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. Was there something in the wind? Was it meant to be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden leaves when it's their time to fall? But I didn't want to feel this way, tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace. I know I can't be happy, it's not in my head. I could sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line, thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess, but what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line, thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low, I'm not myself. I feel so low, I'm not myself.
Two, three.
In two states, when I first met you, far and wide, how could I forget your bright eye when you told me your name? And tell me your favorite number. Was this spell I'm under, staring at the most beautiful girl? I wouldn't want to figure this out with anyone else but you. And I know you're lonely, but this song will have to do. And I've searched for my whole life for love so true. Despite the distance, I'm right here with you. And long talks and awkward silence, late nights walking through the garden, running with your hand in mine. And sunset upon our faces, heartbeats.
We go to the school up here nearby and hook up the car, and I apologize for not showing you when I hooked it up, but there's a canine training in here and the police dog, and that door's open, and I don't want to be bit if you come running out here and see me, because I've been bit before in training stuff. So without sleeve on, it'd be painful. I'm gonna show you, I put a little safety measure here, so if this does come unplugged, it's not gonna drag on the ground or cost me about 30 bucks. Okay, now it's real. We use wire ties because we can get 150 to 250 wire ties for about $3 at Harbor Freight, and we lock it in there, and then we lock it in above here. Also, somebody stopped to talk to us, apparently.
What's waiting on me always? Every time I open the door, can you back up and let me in? Did you turn your thing off?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna put you on here with the curler.
With the rollers?
Yes, sir.
Oh my gosh.
All right, you need to take down this mileage.
I can't do nothing with you.
No, I'll
It don't matter. It'll be funny. Okay.
all right.
Wait a minute. Where's my pins? There it is. All right. Today
We're hooked
is,
up.
Wait a minute. March. What is today? 29.
Yeah, Good Friday.
My L-E-A-G. Okay.
45 to 69.5.
And we're leaving Dad's.
Going to Nashville. And this, I don't know why I can't change this. It's set on January the 18th. Let me see if I can change that. Reset not available. I need to ask them why my reset is not available. Need to check on that. Alright, let's set it down here till we can see the fuel. Fuel generator hours 421. Alright. I had to pull over because the brake buddy that we have in our car was set on too high, and it was braking us when we barely moved it forward. Why, Dina?
Because that you hear in the video before that this person stopped to talk to us, and so I got distracted and I did not check the brake buddy. I made sure it was in there right, but I didn't check. I didn't test it. Always test it. It scared me to death. I was afraid it was going to burn up the Jeep or something. I didn't know what was going on, but we believe that that's what it was.
And we'll see. And the main thing is you should have a checklist or something to check every time. And I have a routine that I did. I did my part. Dina got distracted.
Okay, so this is what happens when you don't do the double checking of everything. We lost.
Come on, your lights.
I'm gonna try to. No, doesn't
Maggie,
it?
here.
All right, hold on. Let me turn some lights on so you can see what I did. And it was me.
Oh, God.
Yeah, so I broke my. Yes, that is apple butter, and I love it. This whole thing fell out. And I couldn't get the door back closed, so now Tommy's going to open it up and we're going to see how much damage I did. So, double check. You know, the last time, I don't know if he put on there yet about the lady coming to interrupt us while we were getting everything ready. But my brake buddy was set too high, and it was we were dragging it down the road. Maggie, back up. I don't need you licking up glass. So, all right, do this side. If that one's done. I gotta mop the floor too because my drink spilled when fell out of the holder when we went up on the curb. So we just made some good mistakes on this travel. I hope that you guys don't make the same mistakes that we do. Let's see if there's anything. I can't see if there's anything back there. Oh.
Right here.
Okay. Ooh, what a mess. All right. This was awful. Not the worst mistake we made, but man, it's a mistake. Thomas, what do you think? What do you think?
I think it's a mess. I think it wasn't my job to latch the refrigerator on pad. But,
Okay, come here. So,
wait a minute. All right.
we could have saved all of this trouble and my jar of apple butter by just flipping this switch like that. They ain't going nowhere.
Well,
My fault.
and
take
it's
full
just, she takes full blame. I take a lot of blame today for stuff I did, but.
You'll hear about it in a little bit.
Okay, this is actually the next day that we stayed in Nashville at a campground called the Grand Ole Opry, or the Old Grand Opry Campground in Market. Great campground. It's like $45 a night, but we enjoyed it. Went and visited our son there. But I tried to turn around on the road, which this was I had 6 lanes of traffic blocked. 7 lanes of traffic blocked, and as you know, if you're towing a car on a Class A, you can't back it up more than 2 feet. So I decided I'll just run over the curb. I had to. I no other way for me to get out of there. I just eased up on the curb with one wheel and got in the grass a little bit, but big mistake for my part. So Dina had some mistakes that she did, some distractions. But this was just pure stupid on my part. But we made it around, and we were able to get a place at a wasn't a Harvest Host, but it was a Boondockers Welcome, which was a church. So we're staying here tonight in Clarksville, Tennessee, for a couple of days, and then we're going to head out to Milwaukee. Sorry for the length of the video. It's kind of long, but if you could watch it all the way to the end, it sure would help my watch hours, because I'm just still not having any luck in gaining to get monetized. Thank you. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Give us a like, thumbs up, and we sure appreciate it, and hope to see you next time.
Maggie, do you think you're going to drive? No, you're not. Maggie, you can't drive. Maggie, you can't drive. You need to get down. Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Woo,